When it comes to choosing a compact SUV, reliability often becomes the key factor. In this segment, three names dominate: the Toyota RAV4, the Honda CR-V, and the Mazda CX-5. These vehicles are among the most popular worldwide, offering space, practicality, and reasonable ownership costs. But the big question remains: which one can truly be called the most reliable? The Toyota RAV4 has built its reputation on durability and proven technologies. Many owners report hundreds of thousands of miles without major issues, with maintenance costs staying moderate and breakdowns rare. Its suspension and transmission withstand years of heavy use, making it a safe and stable choice. While some earlier models faced minor electrical problems, Toyota still delivers what drivers expect: long-term dependability and peace of mind. The Honda CR-V is known for its balance of efficiency and reliability. With a spacious interior and family-friendly features, it requires little attention even at high mileage. Owners rarely face unexpected repairs, and maintenance costs remain lower than average. While occasional problems with air conditioning or safety systems have been reported, they are not widespread. Strong resale value adds to its appeal, reinforcing the CR-V's status as one of the most practical and durable SUVs on the market. Mazda's CX-5 takes a slightly different path by combining reliability with driving excitement and eye-catching design. With proper care, it can easily exceed 200,000 kilometers without serious issues. The naturally aspirated engines are nearly flawless, while the turbocharged versions deliver more power but require closer attention to maintenance, especially when it comes to the cooling system. For those who want both reliability and driving pleasure, the CX-5 offers a compelling choice. Ultimately, all three models stand out for their reliability but in different ways. The Toyota RAV4 provides stability and proven quality, the Honda CR-V offers long-term durability with low costs, and the Mazda CX-5 blends dependability with performance and design. Each can serve faithfully for years, but if the focus is on minimizing risks and maximizing peace of mind, the Honda CR-V comes out on top as the most reliable SUV overall.